Let's walk through installing the Tackform CS16 center console mount on your Jeep. First, use the included pry tool to remove the circular trim piece on the console. This exposes the factory bolt underneath. Next, using a 10mm socket, remove the OEM hardware from the console. Before installing the mount, you'll notice the kit includes an alternate hardware option that allows the mount to be installed without a ball, leaving 4 threaded holes available for holsters or other accessories. But for this install, we'll be running the ball configuration. As you seat the mount, make sure the locating pin protruding from the base of the ball interfaces with the small alignment hole in the mount. The factory threads may feel tight during installation. This is normal. Once the mount is fully tightened and secure, add your Tackform arms, holders, or accessories, make your adjustments, and you're done. A clean install and a solid mounting solution built for your Jeep.